What's up, y'all? It's your man Bones, and today I'm going to show you how to turn a $40 ribeye roast into like $125 worth of gourmet restaurant style food. So if you don't know what a ribeye roast is, it's pretty much a ribeye steak, but it's the entire piece or a larger portion of the piece of the cow rather than a thinly cut steak. So this is part one of my two-part video on how to convert this ribeye roast that people typically try to do a prime rib or smoke it into cheesesteaks and delicious gourmet steaks. Part one is cheesesteaks. Real simple recipe, feel free to add whatever you want. This is just basic, it turned out delicious. I'm done talking, let's get to cooking. I had a 4-pound New York strip roast, and what I did was I just figured I can get 3 nice steaks, 1-pound steaks, and then, you know, the extra pound I can just use that in cheesesteaks, which is a good amount of meat for a cheesesteak, and I got really lucky with the marbling. You want to cut the fat off on a New York strip because it's kind of hard and it really is not going to serve like a ton of a purpose in a cheesesteak, but save the fats, you know we use that. You're going to want a really sharp knife because the thinner you can cut these little pieces, the more tender your cheesesteak is going to be. So if you can cut them paper thin, go ahead and achieve that. And if you have a meat slicer, that's all the more better, but try to get those pieces cut as thin as possible. You know we gotta toast our buns. It's pretty much standard in every sandwich. I don't know what it does, but it just sets them off. Now it's as simple as throwing your meat in, seasoning it, and browning it. And if you wanna throw some onions in there, if you wanna throw some green peppers in there, or anything you know you like on your cheesesteak, aside from the cheese, now's the time to do it so you can get those nice, soft, sauteed, and caramelized. So unless you're using Cheez Whiz, which I don't typically use, go ahead and put your cheese on, and a nice little trick to get it melted, pour some water around the perimeter, throw the top on, and it gets the cheese melted really fast and it turns it super gooey. Now it's as simple as getting it on your hoagie roll. Of course, I like mayonnaise on mine, and prepare to have one of the best cheesesteaks you ever had, and you made it at home. The meat was able to yield me about 3 cheesesteaks, you know, for 15 bucks. I was able to make 3 gourmet style cheesesteaks. You know, anywhere else, you're gonna pay like 15 bucks, 12, 15 bucks for a cheesesteak. So, hey, it's definitely worth it.